Cold as shit, but we're Chronicles. Real PewDiePie. Pav, we go to Xavier's Brib. He's watching Markiplier. Boy, not even here. Oh shoot. Who is this? I know you. You're Jacksepticeye, right?
Top of the morning.
First step to vacuum everything. Real PewDiePie with a quick voiceover. This first episode is more of gonna be me explaining what the job is, and then the rest of the episodes are just gonna be doing the job and having little funny moments with the boys. But enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll be back at the end. So we call those hallways, if you didn't know, but I switched the camera. But anyways, that's what one of the hallways looks like, and I got this whole building to do. Well, I'm doing the laundry room for the building right now, but it's pretty much the same thing, but I hit these washing machines, and then pretty much the same for everything else, but I mop in here, because, you don't mop on carpet. This place. I'm taking a video clip, boy.
What?
Yeah, the first unit for the channel.
Dr. Squatch, if you want, you can let me do a sponsorship with you.
Or sponsor me, since this is gonna go on my channel first.
No,
There's that boy Clinton. He said hi if you didn't hear. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna do a quick explanation before I get my ass to fucking work. So, Clinton boy gonna get the kitchen over there. Naked Penguin, he's all in that bathroom. He loved that bathroom time. Then I'm gonna just go around, do the extras, do the wall outlets, wash the windows, good old fucking fun stuff. Vacuum.
Who doesn't love cleaning?
Cleaning is so calming.
Yeah, that's already pretty clean.
We got lucky with this unit.
I know. The next unit should be pretty good too.
Well, that was his epic bathroom shot. Now it's just a time lapse. So, we almost done with this unit. Clinton ditched us.
This one good?
Yeah, the one on the counter was good. We got a little bit of the fridge left. Just
You cleaned the inside already, right?
yeah, it might need a dry wipe,
Yeah.
but other than that, it's all wiped down and all stains are out. But we got that. We gonna vacuum, and then we pretty much just got the bathroom and that laundry room to mop, and we're gonna be moving on to our second and final unit. Maybe Clint will be there, maybe not. He has pretty good act of disappearing. But
That's just a crew leader thing.
yeah, it's just a crew leader thing, but only with the vehicle.
Only with the vehicle.
Only with the vehicle. Never just themselves, but it's with the vehicle.
We don't get vehicle rights until we're crew leader. You gotta work our way up.
Got to work up. But yeah, so we're
You
gonna
gotta
get.
decide these purposes too.
Yeah. Today's actually not as bad as the day because usually I'm used to leaving my house at dark and going home at dark, but there's a chance where it might just be getting dark when we go home. So
It might even be light out still.
it might even still be light out. But I'm gonna hurry up, get back to work. We finished the unit.
Crazy.
Wow.
Believe it, y'all?
We did a unit on the channel.
1,000 more units to go.
Just 1,000 more.
Until we
Never
reach glory.
till glory. Until I'm at least worth trillions of billions and own Uranus. You know, we ain't done. We cleared more units
That's
after.
when we hit quadrillion.
Not until. I want to see a new digit.
We're
You
gonna
know?
be the new Jeff Bezos.
You know, new Jeff Bezos, new Elon Musk. You know, new creations are gonna be made here
We
today.
are the 1%. No one knows.
We are the pinnacle 1%.
We're actually the 0.1%.
We inspired Hustlers University.
Yep.
Just so you know, we got reach. On the front patio, on the second unit, just taking a break. Xavier is also on bathroom duty on this unit. Dirty. It's true, it's a little dirty. But this one was a little worse, but also a bit bigger than the last unit. But Clinton hit most of that while me and him continued working on the first unit. So not entirely bad. Clinton stole the van and vacuum, so I can't continue without that. So we're about to do a little splitsy ditsy. Me and Naked Penguin came back to this location. Apparently we got a text at 8 in the morning, like pretty much as soon as we got here, about some additional work for it. So some dusting, getting on top of the fire hydrants and railings they wanted done extra. And Clayton's gonna be going to the original job we were going to for the final job. So, whoa, multitasking at its finest. Cold ass weather. Xavier's ready. So it's dark. We got a little hoed. We got a little bit. I tried zooming in, I want to zoom in. But yeah, we have to hit all these buildings. Just me and Naked Penguin. And
24 halls in total.
24 halls, 6 buildings on the lot.
4 halls each building.
With big laundry rooms in each building.
And they were actually they're alright.
They're all right because we already mopped and did everything else.
Yep. Hello, Mr. Nathan.
Hello, Mr. Xavier.
Xavier?
Mr. Clinton?
Mr. Clinton? I have your paperwork ready.
Oh, yes, thank you so much, sir.
What do you got to report in today?
It was horrible.
Oh,
Well, this might make you feel better.
instant raise.
$1 million from BG's.
BG, we got you.
Anytime.
Now we clock out of here. Long day. We thought it was gonna be the early day in the video, but y'all seen what the normal day's been like. All right. I hope y'all like this shit. These two are gonna be my crew. And yeah, fucking subscribe to the real PewDiePie.
Put that phone down. You're working.
No, I checked out.
No, you didn't. I clocked you back in.
I clocked out.
I clocked you back in.
No, you didn't.
Go check.
No. You bring- fucking subscribe.